What's up, guys? Welcome to another video today about Trading 101. I got a couple of requests to do it, so I'm going to continue trying to make these videos for you guys. Again, if you're interested in anything specific, please leave a comment below. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. I'll continue these series and just take you through the journey of my trading. And again, I said I would eventually put live trading and trading reviews, but right now I just want to focus on Trading 101 and the things that helped me develop to the trader that I am today and the things that I wish I used to know. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so this is the second video that continues from the first video. Our first video was support and resistance, which was a real basic idea of, where buyers and sellers were. This second video, we're going to talk about, let's say you like this stock. Today I screenshotted Activision Blizzard, and you like it and you see it as support. How do you buy it? Do you buy it immediately, hit support, or what are the strategies? And today I want to just teach you a couple strategies. There are many strategies that you can implement while you're trading. So let's just put a well-defined line right here, which represents your support area. So one of the things that people would think that just because a stock hits this price level doesn't mean it immediately bounces up, right? Sometimes it will have to, let me erase this. Sometime it will have to eventually hit these areas, pass through, and then rebound and jump in. And so how do we know and how do we buy into these areas? So a couple of my strategies is, first strategy is that if you find an area of support which you really think that this stock is going to go up and move from, but of course we don't know the exact amount, we'll redraw this line again. This represents the support, and now it's called positioning in. All right, so we want to wait till we see a level of support, which is this line right here. And how do we buy it in? First, we can position ourselves in before the support line, or even immediately at the support line. Let's say you're willing to put in 10K. You might want to break that down into 4 levels. So each level is 2,500. So a way to look at it is that you have 4 bullets. So each bullet you want to aim at a lower price. And that is how you're going to position yourself in. You put in 2,500 here, and as it breaks through and it holds, you can put another 2,500. And as long as this support line holds true and is just not an instant drop like this right here, then you can always position more and more. And what you're doing essentially is that you're buying this and you're averaging down. Right here, let's say you buy at 66 and then you eventually buy at 58. Well, your average isn't 66. You don't have to have it come back up to 66 to be profitable. As long as it come back halfway, you're pretty much break even. That is one strategy that is a powerful strategy that you can use to implement on how to trade, is by positioning yourself in. Breaking down your total investment into either 2 to 4 bullets, and you aim at bullets. And it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to buy it exactly, but this way nobody knows when bottom is, nobody knows when top is, but you're setting yourself up, having an idea and a thesis this is going to hold. And that's one way to do it. Let me erase this, guys, and show you another way that you can buy yourself. This is more called a confirmation trade. I'll use blue this time to draw this line. A confirmation trade is where you see the support hold and then you can buy in. Where it's, oh God, what is this? All right, there it goes. Alright, so this is the line. This is just estimated line where you see support hold, right? Like areas right here. As support is holding and is consolidating, you can jump in your shares right here with a stop right here if you're wrong, giving it a little room. But a confirmation hold is this right here. Is where a stock breaks through the support line, but you can see that that buyers immediately step in. That is a very, very good tell sign that there is good support right there. And that's where you jump in with your stop at the low right there. Okay, so let's just go over that real quick again. So what it is a confirmation trade on support, is where support is broken right here. It passes through, but immediately buyers come in. And usually this right here, you want to see high volume. You want to see bigger volume, meaning that people are actually stepping in. But what happened is that the psychology behind this is that seller pressure pushed it through the support. But when we talked about support earlier, is where people find value and people want to buy. Immediately people find value and they ended up buying into it. So this is a very good spot for you to enter with your same thesis that this support is holding. Again, that support is not going to be exactly on the dollar. But right here is the confirmation trade that is confirming that sellers could not push it through, and then buyers came right back in and pushed it again. So what you would do is wait until it breaks through, and then as it's going up, you're seeing volume for confirmation, and you're seeing it pass through that line of support again. You can almost buy immediately, even before support, and set your stop right here below it. If it can't hold this level and it continues dropping, obviously the sellers are in control and the buyers are gonna get knocked out. But yeah, so that right there is just two strategies, simply with a building on of our last video about support and resistance. Support areas, again, review is that you can wait and buy into different positions. You can break it down into 2 to 4 of your total risk that you want to put in there. If it's 10,000, then you can break it down into 5K each, or 25 or 2,500 each, and you will have 4 times to get in. With 5Ks, you have 10, obviously. And the second one is the confirmation trade. The confirmation is you wait until the stock breaks through and you look for those buyers to come in, and you set your stop roughly below that low, and you can have a nice run up. But yeah, so that's a video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Again, leave a thumbs up and leave comments below if you guys want to see any more videos concerning anything specific, and I'll catch you guys next time.
I want to welcome you to my channel, and again, if you haven't, click that subscribe button on the bottom, and you can follow me. Click that bell, then you get the notification whenever time I upload videos. And I'd like to thank you and welcome to my channel.
Up in paradise up above, if you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart.